Hey guys, Jeff here from Ceramic Pro. I'm going to show you guys how to clean your charred exhaust tips at home with products that you probably have at home. So I have a bucket of water here, a little bit of Dawn dish soap, a couple of drops. Just add a little soap to the water. And then you could use Comet or Ajax, which you can pick up at any grocery stores will have it, drugstores, things like that, right? The other thing you're going to need too is a red Scotch-Brite pad. This one's really aggressive. So if you have aluminum exhaust tips, it's possible it can scratch them. In this case, it is kind of like a brushed aluminum look, but with how bad they look, it's going to look a lot better once we clean them anyways. So all I'm going to do, get some water on this, put some of the Comet on. It's like a powder. I'm just going to put it on the Scotch-Brite pad. I kind of just work it in with my thumb. And just go to town scrubbing. So I'm going to do the full outside, the lip, everything like that. Basically just pinch the Scotch-Brite pad. Then I'm going to take a garden hose. And just close them up. Okay, so you can see these are nice and clean now. If they are really bad, you might have to do it a few times, put a little bit more elbow grease. If it's still not coming out, you can swap this pad out for a little bit of steel wool. And there are different grades of steel wool. There's very fine, that's not going to scratch it, and there's also really aggressive that will really scratch the surface. But if they are really, really bad, then you could, step up to steel wool, and that'll help as well. So if you guys want to see more little tips and tricks like this that you guys could do at home, let us know.